Plan to resign as president as Tinubu moved to announce a successor for his replacement.
Good day, everyone out there listening to us through this very channel. You are all welcome to today's news. Bola Amel Tinubu to announce a successor, even when he's still in office. Is that not strange to hear? All right, Nigerians, let's quickly go straight to the content and then let's know what the meaning of this is. This is today's news. According to reports, Tinubu will be announcing a successor to take his place as next president of Nigeria as planned to resign from office persists. A source specifically mentioned infractions relating to board appointments as the undoing of at least two of those who may lose in the announcement. The source said Nigerians should watch out for whatever may happen on the Independence Day. Apart from Kwankwanso, apart from any other politician, it is possible that Shetima or Atiku becomes the next president. Very competent sources said the president had consulted widely on his desire to bring fresh hands on board, since some people have refused to appreciate his personality and position in office. True claimed that the plan to resign is not actually a failure, but a desire to allow a fresh hand to come in and change the economy. It could be disastrous, he claimed. Tunu said that Nigeria is a country that actually desires a very strong personality, someone with a thinking mind, smart and ready to deliver. He said that no matter what anyone says, it's still very important that we put that in consideration and allow what will happen to happen so that the country can move forward. A source very close to the president, however, said on Friday that about 8 persons will be actually be announced as one out of the 8 will be elected, as the incumbent is actually working hard to see that everything goes well, even if he decides to resign from office, as said. Thank you for listening to today's news. Hmm. My people, no be small matter. The story don't get hand, it don't get leg. Well, if it happen, only Tinubu know why it allow am happen. But with the look of things and with everything that I am seeing, I want to tell you that Bola Ahmed Tinubu knows what he is doing. Do you think what he has just said now is going to happen? Tinubu gets sense. He's just saying all these things to to fulfill all righteousness. Tinubu goes nowhere. This is an office he has been he has been fighting for years. So all of a sudden, he is now the same person announcing his resignation. You think it is normal? Tinubu is only making a caricature of Nigerians. I'm telling you. Say I said this because this is a reality and something that is very, very clear. Very clear, right? Okay, my people, based on this very note, I would really like to hear from you and also to know what you take and what your opinion actually is on this matter. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.